Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how to set up Google Authentication app for Binance. Before you start, download and install the official Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Now, open the Binance app and log in. Tap the account icon on the dashboard, then go to the profile section at the top, then tap on Security. Under Security, tap Authenticator app, then Enable. Binance will display a QR code and a setup key. It's important to copy the setup key first and do not tap Next before completing the setup in Google Authenticator. Now open the Google Authenticator app and tap the plus button. Select Enter a setup key and pass the copied key. Give it a name, for example Binance, and tap Add. Now, you'll see a 6-digit code for Binance in your app. Return to the Binance app and tap Next. Then enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Now, you've successfully enabled Google Authenticator for your Binance account. From now on, you'll need this code whenever you log in or make important transactions. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.